Rising along the waterfront in the heart of Sweden's capital, Stockholm Palace is one of Europe's largest and most active royal residences. Located in the historic district of Gamla stan, it stands as a symbol of Swedish monarchy and state power. The current palace was built in the 18th century after a devastating fire destroyed the earlier medieval castle known as Tre Kronor in 1697. The reconstruction marked a shift toward a more modern and grand architectural vision. Designed in a Baroque style, the palace features symmetrical facades, grand courtyards, and richly decorated interiors. Its design reflects the influence of continental European architecture, while maintaining a distinctly Swedish identity. Unlike many royal palaces that serve only ceremonial roles, Stockholm Palace remains an official residence of the Swedish monarch. It is used for state ceremonies, royal events, and official functions. Inside, the palace contains over 600 rooms, including royal apartments, treasury vaults, and museums. Visitors can explore its lavish halls and learn about centuries of Swedish royal history. Today, Stockholm Palace stands as both a working royal residence and a major cultural landmark. It represents the continuity of Sweden's monarchy while remaining open to the public.